If you like quick and easy DIY paint projects, you need Spraymate Fast Drying Spray Paint. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to transform a dull metal ornament into a designer decor piece. Have all your supplies on hand before starting your project and always read the label instructions before you begin. It's important to give glossy surfaces a light sanding. Wipe clean with lacquer thinners or a degreaser like Krud Kutter and a soft cloth. Don't be tempted to skip the next step, which is to prime your surface with Spraymate Fast Drying Grey primer. Shake your can vigorously for a full minute after the marble begins to rattle. Spray light even coats overlapping each stroke. You can apply more than one coat if the condition of your surface needs it. It will increase your top coat's ability to bond with the surface. It protects against rust and improves durability. Let your primer dry for 20 minutes. Your surface is now ready for paint. Like your primer, follow the same application steps. Shake your can vigorously for a full minute after the marble begins to rattle. This will make sure your paint is properly mixed. Always hold your can 30 centimeters away from the object when spraying. Apply light, even coats overlapping each stroke. Keep your hand in motion to avoid drips and runs which will spoil your project. Wait for 10 to 20 minutes before adding a second and third coat if necessary. Spraymate is hard-wearing and formulated with a rust inhibitor, so you can install your finished decor piece on your patio, your kitchen, or in your lounge, and it'll keep looking lovely. Visit Rust-Oleum.co.za for more fast-drying colors, finishes, and application tips.